Good God. Dead. Hey Glam Fam, so today I'm going to be doing a challenge, and that is to use every eyeshadow from one palette. I decided to make it a little bit hard on myself and use a palette that I really haven't used that much. This is the NYX In Your Elements Fire palette, and this is what it looks like. I don't know guys, we'll see. We'll see. I'm not quite sure who did the original video on this, but I will link them down below if you guys will tell me who it is, or maybe they could get a hold of me, tell me that it was them. I will link them, or I'll just find out later after I post it. I will link it down below so you can check their channel out. I'm sure their channel is amazing because this is an awesome idea. I've already done my foundation and my eyes. And by the way, this is the foundation that came out of mixing all of my foundations together challenge. If you'd like to see that video, I will link it up here in the card section. And let's start this challenge. I am gonna go in with this color right here, this really pretty beige color, and we're gonna put that all into our eyes. I was going to use my Jeffree Star Beauty Killer palette, but I have used that in quite a few tutorials. I decided to go with this palette instead because I'm not super familiar with it. I think I've only done one makeup tutorial with it, and it was only using like 3 colors, I believe. Alright, so now I think I'm gonna go in with this orange color right here, and I'm going to put that on my outer crease. We're not going to go heavy on this orange color because, once again, we have to use all the colors in this palette. And there are 12 colors to use from this palette. Let's not overdo it when we first jump in. Alright, so there is the bright orange color on my creases. And then I'm going to go in with the red, and we are going to put that in the center of our crease. They kind of look the same. I mean, not completely, but they're pretty close. All right. And again, guys, I have no plan. Now we are gonna go in with the yellow color right here. We're gonna go for a sunset kind of crease. Here's that yellow color, which is actually really pretty. I'm gonna drag that underneath. Then we're gonna go into this darker color right here. We're gonna put that into our crease as well. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, guys. I do not. Hopefully it turns out okay.
Did I know? What did I know? I fell for fools.
Alright, so that is darkened. It's actually kind of pretty. Now we're gonna go in with the gold, and we're gonna put that onto the center of our lid. I'm going to use my finger for this.
Yes, I did.
That is a really pretty color. We've used 6 colors so far. All right, we're on a roll. We're now going to take this really light shimmery yellow, and we are going to pop that on the inner corner right here and blend it into the brighter yellow onto our nose. Well, not onto our nose, but more towards our nose. I'm going to actually wet a Q-tip and go in with that because I want this to stand out big time. And I would usually just wet a pencil brush, but they're all in my bathroom getting ready to be washed, so. Ooh.
Oh, don't you know I fell for fools gold, I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know?
I'm gonna go into this brown color right here, and I'm going to place that onto my outer V as well, but we're gonna drag this a little bit past the other color that we used. I'm gonna kind of make a deeper shadow going into our crease. This is a small tapered blending brush, and it is the E45 from Sigma. It's actually a really awesome brush coming when you're wanting to do more detailed crease work. I have links in the description as usual. You guys already know if you would like to use them. I'm just gonna go back in with my smaller blending brush, and we're gonna blend that color out with the orange and the red. That's getting really hard to blend. Oh no. Oh no. I'm going to mix these two together, this one and this one, to get more of a red tone brown, and just blend that harsh line out with those two mixed together. Ooh, that's much better.
Don't you know? Don't you know?
Then we're gonna go back into that crease color, that one right there, and we're going to blend all of that out with that crease color. So we're gonna go right along that edge where the orange and the red are blended out, and blend that out into our into our brow bone a little bit more, so that it's not so unblended. But I'm sure you guys got that already. Now we have to use 1, 2, 3, 4 colors on the bottom of our lash line. We're gonna go in with a fluffy flat brush first, blend that lighter color up here underneath our under eye to kind of get a base down there so it's not so stark when we put the other colors in. Alright, and then we're gonna go in and start to blend this copper color right here underneath our eyes. We're gonna go in with this really pretty teal color, and we're going to blend that with another flat brush on the outer portion of our eyes. I'm gonna go into the middle a bit, just a little bit though.
I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for.
Right, and then we are going to go in with this dark color right here, and we are going to place that on the very outer corner of underneath our eye and blend that out. We're gonna also tuck it up into our mobile lid area, outer crease as well. Ooh, that is dark, but pretty. We're gonna go in with the last color, and that is this burgundy color. And we are going to smoke out the line underneath our eyes of all those colors. So it has just a touch of purple underneath. Gonna go in and touch up the more bright colors because they did lose a little bit of their pigment when we blended everything out, including the orange, yellow, and red.
Don't you know? I fell for fools gold. I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for.
Let me go do my eyeliner and lashes and mascara, and I'll be right back.
What did I know?
Contour.
What did I know? You a fool's gold.
For highlights, I'm going to be going in with the Metal Crush Kat Von D Extreme Highlighter Palette. Yeah! These are beautiful. Alright, which one do I want to go into? This one? No. That one's too light. Oh, what about the pink? Oh, that doesn't go with my light, or my... You know what? Let's go with... We're going to go in with the peachy tone one, and we are going to highlight this face. Good God. That is blinding. Dead. Oh my God, why don't I use this more often? Oh my God. Oh. Whew. Okay. Just touch the nose and the lips. Alright, here is the finished look with the eyes. I'm kind of in love with them, to be honest. So I have two lips that I want to do. I wanted to play off the purple underneath my eyes and match my lips to it. I think I want to go with the glitter lip, but I don't know. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go, okay, yeah. It was either NYX Liquid Suede in Subversive Socialite or Ciate Glitter Flip in Fortune. And we're gonna go in with Fortune. We're gonna press our lips together. I did have a review on the Ciate glitter flips. I did do a review on them, but then everybody and their mother did a review on them, and so I just kind of didn't put it out. But if you guys would like to see it, it's still on my computer and I can upload it if you'd like me to. Okay, here we go.
I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know?
What do you guys think? How did I do? I used all of these eyeshadows on my eyes. All of them. All of the eyeshadows. Which is so crazy to me because that's a lot of color. So this was so much fun though. I feel like I have not really ever done a look like this, and if I have, it hasn't been in a really, really long time. So that is it for this tutorial, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel down below. It's that little red button down there, and if you click that and then click the bell notification next to it, you will never miss another one of my uploads, and you'll become a part of the Glam Fam. I also have a Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. They're also at Beautybyjosiek, and I talk to y'all mostly on those platforms. So I hope you will go and check them out. And whew, that highlight. I also had a review on the Metal Crush palette too, if you guys want to see that as well. I just feel discouraged when like everyone but me has put out my review on the product. I just feel like maybe you guys don't want to see them if you've already seen them by so many other YouTubers. I don't know. That is it. I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Love ya!